Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says an ordered pair alpha comma beta for which the system of the linear equation this has unique solution. Okay, so you know that if the system of a linear equation is having unique solution, this means delta will be delta will not be equal to 0. Correct, man? Then only we will have unique solution. So we will talk about that situation only. So look at this. So my idea is I will go with the delta. So it is 1 plus alpha, then beta, then 1 alpha, 1 plus beta, then 1 alpha, beta, and 2. Okay, and this will not be equal to 0. So look at this. So how we will solve this equation, just try to understand. Either you can open this thing directly, but you need to find out value of alpha and beta. It will become complicated to solve. So I will apply some property. I'm observing that in every row they are using one alpha, one beta, and certain numbers. Okay, and the sum of those numbers is 2. So I'll go with column 1 to be transformed as column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. So it will become 2 plus alpha plus beta, 2 plus alpha plus beta, 2 plus alpha plus beta. Okay, and then we have beta, 1 plus beta, beta, 1, 1 and 2. Okay, now what to do? We will take this thing common. So we will be 2 plus alpha plus beta, and then we will be having 1, 1, 1, beta, 1 plus beta, beta, 1, 1, 2. Let's simplify things. 2 alpha beta, and then now I will open this determinant. Okay, so we got things as 1 time 2 plus 2 beta minus beta minus beta 2 minus 1, so 1 plus 1 time beta minus 1 minus beta, so it is minus 1. Okay, 2 alpha beta, and then 2 plus beta minus beta minus 1. Okay, so from here this thing on we are getting 1. So we got alpha plus beta plus 2 not equal to 0. Correct? Now what you have to do, you have to check the options. So it is 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 plus 2. If you'll observe, it is getting to be 0. This means this option is wrong. Then minus 4, 2. Minus 4, 2 plus 2. Again it is getting 0. So if you are getting 0, this cannot be the answer. You know that you got two variable, but you got one equation you cannot solve. So you have to apply hit and trial. Then we have 2, 4. So you got 2, 4, 2. Yes, it is not equal to 0. This means correct option is the third one. I will check the fourth choice. Okay, so minus 3, 1. So minus 3 plus 1 plus 2. Again it is going to be 0. This means option fourth is also wrong. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.